Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Today we're going to talk about showers. We're in the showroom, and a lot of people come in here and they don't want tile because they don't like grout. So I usually lean them towards tile because I think the new grouts now with the power grouts are great. However, some people are just adamant, and so we do a lot of cultured marble wall panels. And as you can see, this is a shower system that has marble on the back wall, so you don't have any grout at all. You have a little silicone down the corner where it meets the base, and then a return panel door. This is a Flurco door with rollers on the top. So again, maintenance free, almost bulletproof. So in essence, a really good shower for kids. You have a young family and you're looking to get away from tile because you know they're not going to maintain it. This is it. It's bulletproof. You can't really hurt it. The door is 3/8 of an inch glass, has the rollers up here so there's no track on the bottom. It's just a great feature. So when you're buying or looking for a shower, make sure you buy quality products because you got water in there, and if you chintz, you could end up with problems. So make sure you buy something of quality. The other thing I want to show in here now too is freestanding tubs. We have a variety of them in the showroom here, and it's the way everybody wants to go now. They want the freestanding tub with a floor mount faucet, and there's a variety of those as well. Now the floor mount faucets can get costly, so you can do a wall mount faucet to save a little bit of money. But the freestanding tubs are more of an accent, and they look really nice. You know, you have a chandelier above it or a couple pot lights. Very tranquil, so it just seems to be what a lot of people want to go for now. But as you can see, nice shower, a freestanding tub, and I'm going to show you another freestanding tub out here if I have enough time. So this is a brand new tub and I really like it. So here's another freestanding tub, similar to the one that's in the little boutique showroom or a bathroom we have there, but this is brand new. So as you can see, very simple lines, very thin threshold here, very comfortable tub. We have a freestanding or a floor mount faucet on this one as well. You could put potentially a deck mount or a wall mount faucet on this one, but this just looks cleaner. It's easier to maintain, definitely easier to clean. But as you can see, this is what everybody's looking for now, just very small. The clawfoot tubs aren't as popular anymore. The look of those, we still sell the odd one of those, but typically people are looking for something like that. So bathroom and kitchen rentals, they've came a long way. There's so much you can do. There's so much product out there. So make sure you do your research and find out exactly what you're looking for.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.